The Patomskiy Crater, mystery in the Taiga. Deep in the heart of Siberia lies a geological anomaly that has puzzled scientists and intrigued mystery lovers around the world. Known as the Patomskiy Crater, this site was discovered unexpectedly and has since been shrouded in speculation and scientific interest. Located far from any urban centers, its remote accessibility adds to its mystique. The crater itself appears as a violent disruption in the Earth, with its edges sharply defined against the surrounding wilderness. Measuring over 40 meters in diameter and 15 meters deep, the crater's size is as impressive as its mysterious origins. From this close-up, the scale of the disturbance and the raw earth exposed by whatever event caused this are clearly visible. The irregular shape and composition suggest an event of significant energy and power. Historical records and satellite images prior to the discovery show no signs of the crater, indicating its relatively recent formation. This raises questions about what could cause such a sudden geological feature. These archival materials provide a stark contrast to the current aerial and ground-level images of the crater, emphasizing its sudden appearance. Researchers and historians alike scour these documents for clues about the landscape's past and any possible forewarnings of the crater's creation. The discovery of the Patomskiy Crater quickly captured the attention of both national and international media, propelling it into the limelight. As news spread, so did speculation and theories ranging from scientific to fantastical. This timeline animation helps viewers understand the sequence of events from discovery through to the present, highlighting key moments in the crater's history of study and public fascination. Each frame punctuates a significant development in the ongoing story of the crater. The first scientific expeditions to the crater were met with challenges, from navigating the harsh Siberian terrain to assembling delicate equipment in an unyielding environment. These pioneering teams were driven by a desire to uncover the truth behind the crater's origins, setting the stage for a multidisciplinary approach to its study. This footage of scientists at work underscores the seriousness and scientific rigor applied to understanding the Patomskiy Crater. Their initial findings would lay the groundwork for all subsequent research. Discovery and first impressions. The first sighting of the Patomskiy Crater by helicopter offered a startling view of its magnitude and isolation. Pilots and geologists aboard were among the first to lay eyes on what looked like a fresh scar on Earth's surface. This perspective captures their initial awe and the raw, untouched nature of the site. The local communities were the first to report strange occurrences leading up to the crater's discovery. Interviews with residents revealed tales of unexplained noises and tremors that shook their homes. This human element introduces a personal dimension to the mystery, juxtaposing scientific exploration with local experience and folklore. Wildlife behavior also altered inexplicably, adding another layer of intrigue to the crater's impact. From the outset, scientists have been meticulously analyzing soil samples and distressed vegetation to glean clues about the crater's formation. This meticulous work involves various scientific disciplines, each contributing insights into the physical and chemical processes at play. Advanced imaging techniques like thermal and radar scans were employed to reveal the unseen details of the crater's structure. These images, glowing with data, show variations in temperature and density that hint at deeper processes beneath the surface. This scientific detective work is crucial in piecing together the physical narrative of the crater, offering a glimpse into the subterranean forces that might be at work. By comparing the Patomskiy Crater to other similar geological anomalies around the world, scientists can draw parallels and identify unique features. This comparative analysis helps place the crater within a broader context of Earth's geological activity. Visuals of other craters, sinkholes, and even impact sites provide a global perspective, enhancing understanding of how such phenomena can vary dramatically in origin and appearance. Geological and scientific investigations. The installation of seismic monitoring equipment around the crater marks a significant step in understanding its origins. These devices measure the slightest Earth movements, capturing data crucial for identifying ongoing processes. Ground-penetrating radar has provided a three-dimensional view beneath the crater's surface, unveiling its complex internal structure. These 3D models are essential for visualizing the extent of subsurface disturbances. Animations of these models allow viewers to dive below the surface, exploring the layers of earth and rock displaced by the event that formed the crater. Radiometric dating has played a pivotal role in narrowing down the timeframe of the crater's formation. Scientists in discussion emphasize the significance of these findings, which suggest a very recent origin in geological terms. This crucial piece of the puzzle helps refine hypotheses and directs further investigative efforts. Water collected from within the crater has undergone extensive chemical analysis to detect any unusual compounds that may indicate geothermal activity or chemical reactions deep underground. Visuals of laboratory testing underscore the detailed and cautious approach scientists are taking to every sample, searching for clues invisible to the naked eye. The data collected has sparked vigorous debate among experts over the possible causes of the crater. This scene captures a roundtable discussion where geologists, chemists, and other specialists weigh different theories, from natural gas explosions to meteor impacts. The exchange highlights the collaborative yet contentious process of scientific discovery, where evidence drives theories and consensus remains elusive. Theories and speculations. Various theories have emerged to explain the formation of the Patomskiy Crater. These range from natural gas explosions beneath the Earth to impacts from meteorites or even secretive mining experiments. Leading scientists and unconventional thinkers offer their perspectives on what might have caused the crater. Each expert provides their rationale, backed by evidence or conjecture, which enriches the narrative with diverse viewpoints. These interviews highlight the passion and dedication of researchers delving into this mystery. Local residents near the Patomskiy Crater gather to share personal stories and theories, some rooted in traditional beliefs or local lore. This scene connects the scientific investigation with community impact, showing how the crater affects local culture and the collective imagination. The unique insights add a human element to the scientific exploration. By examining other unexplained geological phenomena around the world, similarities and differences to the Patomskiy Crater become apparent. This global look provides context and shows that such mysterious occurrences are not isolated events but part of a larger pattern of unexplained geological phenomena. The visuals help draw parallels between disparate events, suggesting a possible commonality in their origins. Based on the most credible scientific data, a simulation shows the most likely scenario for the crater's formation. Advanced visual effects are used to recreate the events leading up to the crater's creation, providing a dynamic and scientifically grounded explanation. Local legends and cultural impact. The Patomskiy Crater has inspired various artistic and media representations, reflecting its impact on popular culture. Artworks, films, and literature that incorporate the crater are showcased, highlighting its influence on creativity and public imagination. Local artists and storytellers discuss how the crater has influenced their work, embedding local history and folklore into contemporary culture. Their creations often blend scientific elements with mythical interpretations, enriching the local cultural tapestry. Annual festivals and events have sprung up around the mystery of the Patomskiy Crater, drawing visitors from around the world and boosting local tourism. Footage of these events captures the vibrant community interactions and the economic impact of the crater on the region. These gatherings not only celebrate the mystery but also foster a sense of community and shared wonder. Educational initiatives, including guided tours and school programs, have been established to teach locals and tourists about the crater's scientific and historical significance. This highlights the educational value of the crater, promoting science and history through direct engagement with the site. It showcases how the mystery has been transformed into a learning opportunity. The crater has become a fixture in local mythology, with new legends emerging that speculate about its origins and significance. These stories, often featuring elements of ancient spirits or cosmic interventions, are recounted by community elders. This narrative layer enriches the cultural significance of the crater, illustrating how new and old beliefs can intertwine around such mysterious sites. As we conclude our journey into the enigmatic Patomskiy Crater, we are left with profound awe at the mysteries still held by the natural world. This serene view invites us to ponder the immense and unseen forces that sculpt such awe-inspiring features deep in the heart of Siberia. The crater, surrounded by the dense taiga, remains a symbol of nature's unpredictability and power. It challenges us to keep questioning and exploring the unknown. From its sudden emergence to the extensive scientific scrutiny it has undergone, the Patomskiy Crater has woven a complex narrative filled with mystery and scientific endeavor. This montage revisits the pivotal moments of our exploration, highlighting the interdisciplinary efforts to understand its origins. It captures the breadth of theories and depth of investigations aimed at uncovering its secrets, showcasing the global fascination with this geological anomaly. The ongoing analysis of the crater not only enriches our understanding of geological processes but also underscores the limits of current scientific knowledge. These visuals of geological data and maps synthesize the insights gained, emphasizing the significant contributions of this mystery to the field of geology. Each piece of data adds a layer to our understanding, yet the crater's true nature remains just out of reach, illustrating the continuous challenge in scientific inquiry. As night falls over this remote part of Siberia, the isolation of the Patomskiy Crater underscores its timeless enigma. This transition to darkness mirrors the unresolved questions that linger about its origins and impact. The quiet of the surrounding wilderness amplifies the mystery, making the crater not just a scientific curiosity but also a poetic symbol of the unknown. It stands as a reminder that some mysteries are not easily unraveled. The starry sky above the Patomskiy Crater serves as a poignant reminder of humanity's enduring quest for knowledge. This celestial panorama inspires us to think beyond our earthly constraints and consider the broader universe of possibilities. Each mystery, whether solved or unsolved, fuels our collective imagination and drives the spirit of discovery. As we gaze up at the heavens, we are reminded that our journey into the unknown is far from over. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the content and see you in our next video.